How? If you're a metal worker, you know that galvanized plate can be a tough material to cut. It's hard, it's slippery, and it's always covered in that greasy zinc coating. But with our fiber laser cutters, cutting galvanized plate is a breeze. Our fiber laser cutters use a powerful laser beam to melt through the zinc coating and underline steel like a hot knife through butter. The laser beam is so precise that it can cut through to millimeters galvanized plate with an accuracy of plus 0.05 millimeters. And because the laser beam is so concentrated, there's minimal distortion or heat-affected zone. But what really sets our fiber laser cutters apart is their speed. Our fiber laser cutters can cut through galvanized plate at speeds of up to 20 meters per minute. That's significantly faster than traditional cutting methods, such as plasma cutting and water jet cutting. So if you're looking for a fast and reliable way to cut galvanized plate, then you need a fiber laser cutter from us. Our fiber laser cutters are the most advanced on the market, and they're backed by a team of experienced engineers who are always ready to help you get the most out of your investment.